Hi everyone, I am Levi Katana. So today I will be the first one to discuss the group data, and this is just a short overview about the discussion. So we're sorry for the background noises. So without further ado, let's get into it.
So the answer of it is so 9.139 today. So you have to run out. So you get the answer is 7. So next is how to work value of the gas. So first, 1 plus the answer is 0.32. Next is log the number of gas. So the answer of it is so you're going to 6.129. So you have to run out to get the whole number. So the answer is 7. So then since we have the value of the number of gas, so next is we have to find. So the answer of it is 6.129. So you have to run out to get the whole number. The answer is 7. Since we have the value of the total number of cars, 7. So next is we have to get the range 16.5, which is the highest value and the lowest value. So 1.5. Since our highest value is 46.5, so we have to subtract it. We have lowest value of 1.5. So we have 31.5. So this is our range. We have to get the width. So for this, so next, so since we have to, all we have to do is substitute the value. So we have 38 over 7. So we have to divide. So 38 divided 7. We get 5.448. So we have to round up. So we get 6. So here is our weight. Showing the class limit, frequency, and each other up. So first, we have to get the class limit. So we should base here the weight. Okay, sense. So ato i-copy ang weight at 6. So ano rin siya plus of 6. So we get 2 plus 6 8. Then 8 plus 6 14 plus 6 and then plus 6 plus 6 add 6, so we get 32. So dili na ko to guys, since 6 na lang ihang with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to get the higher boundary, so we have to subtract 1 in each lower boundary. 7, 13, 19, 25, 31, then 32 plus 6, 32 plus 6, then minus 1. So we get 37. Frequency. So you have the total limitanan ang numbers na belong sa 2 and 7. So mag-base ka sa kaso ng numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11. Next, 8 and 13. So we just count 5. Begin from 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. Next is 14 and 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 20 and 25. 20 and 25. Wala may 20, so let's begin with 22. 1, 2, 3. Then 26 and 31. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. Then 32 to 37. 1, 2, 3. So first, so mag-subtract tawag 0.5 then, or plus tawag 0.5 arin. So 1.5. Isa magkano na?
3.5.
0.7.
Ha? 0.7 times 5.
So, ano na siya tanan? I mean, plus minus. So, you have to add the lower boundary and higher boundary numbers. So, 2 plus 7. So, then divide 2, so we get 4.5. Then the rest, bato na naman tanan sa inyo. 8
Times 5.
plus 13, divide 2, so we get 10.5. 14 plus 19, divide 2, we get 16.5. Then 20 plus 25, divide 2, we get 22.5, then 26, and so on. So to get the frequency and class mark, so we should multiply the frequency and class mark. So here, 11 multiplied by 4.5, so we get 49.5. Then 7 multiplied by 10.5, we get 17.5, and so on. So you just have to multiply, then you get the answers. Sorry for just have a slight error. So since atong class limit is 7, so add 38 and 43. So 38 and 2 plus 6, 38 plus 6, so we have 8 plus 6. And then, ano to siya din? Yung mga count, so yung mga sa nag-ibot kanina, so 38, so 38 and 52, then subtract, then plus 0.5, so here yan. So yung ano sa class mark, so the plus, the divide 2, we get 40.5, and 40.5 multiplied by 2, so we get 81. So we have to add on. So 11 plus 7, then 18 plus 5, 23 plus 3, 26 plus 4, 30 plus 5, 35. Which is correct. 35. Then next is kanina to siya, i-pass na yan. Pass na siya.
Hoy,
We get
video mo dun.
5, 7, 1.5. The next, cumulative frequency. To get the cumulative frequency, we have to copy the frequency, which is 11, then plus 7, we have 18, 18 plus 5, we have 23, 23 plus 3, we have 26, 26 plus 4, we have 30, then 30 plus 3, 33, then 33 plus 2, we have 35. So to get the mean, so here
30 na to, no?
summation of frequency multiplied by
32.
plus mark and over number of
33.
classes. Substitute even
34.
571.5
35.
divide 35. So we get 16.5.
Mo man na to, ipang na to.
So here is the formula, LMD.
Ano?
Open parenthesis, number of classes divide 2 minus CF over frequency, close parenthesis, then width times width.
Ano
Then
sabi?
first, so we have to substitute the value of n. So 35 divide 2, so we get 17.5. Then since 17.5, ato siya pangitawan din. So natay 18.5. So ato siya pangitawan din, 18.5. So ano siya? So 7 niya frequency. So, then, so natin 7, then, paitawan na ang lower boundaries niya, so 7.5. So, i-copy na ito siya, 7.5, ito siya ang i-substitute array, 7.5, then, array din. So, to get the CF, so, since 18, so, mo, sa katag pataka, I mean, isa, then, so, katay 11. So, 11 na ito siya, then, minus 7, then, since 6 na itong width, so siya i-substitute ng mga value. So 7.5, then 35 divide 2 minus 11, then times 7, then times 6. So, nanagdali 7.5, then 17, which is the kanang sum sa 35, divide to 17.5, then minus 11 over 7, so times 6. So, in all, so we get 13.07. So, mga yan, ang median. Ito mo, so, tanong mo na yung last, so, natay formula. So, O equals LMO plus open parenthesis D1 and over D1 plus D2, then close parenthesis times with. So, para magkuha ni, so, we should base to the highest frequency, which is kani. So, 11. So, ang iyang lower boundary is 1.5. So, substitute na ito ang value ari. So, O equals since 1.5, then since D1, since 11 man to, so i-copy na lang ang 11, kaya wala naman to i-above value. So 11, so copy na ang 11 sa D1, then sa D2, sa D1, 11, then plus, then 11, which is kani, 11 minus 7, which is 4. So copy ang 4, substitute, then close, then with 6. So, ano na siya, then copy 1.5 plus, so 11 plus 4, we have 11 over 15. Then copy ang 6. So, equals 11. So, i-divide din mo siya, then times with 6. So, in all, we have 5.9. So, mga na natin.
Since I'm done explaining the group data, so let's proceed to the ungroup data. Will be discussed by Kit and Happy.
Ito na nimo, pila na ito kasi may wali ko pa rin. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Ya, karon kay yung sa class nila tanan ay para ang mga concept daw sa diri nga pa no ni kani ang ano siya ang pagkorpo siya tanan pagkorpo nga kaning mga tanan nila ay mo siya i-divide sa number of classes. Ano siya ay kani 9 plus 6 17. Divide na to. Hindi lagi ko. Hindi lagi ko. Mami siya ang 1. Ano yung maid? Ano yung maid siya kay... Asang to nga, di ba? Sa ito yung maid. Di ba? Ang to nga, dahil mo rin siya pa doon. 11 of 30. Hindi mo rin siya ng class. 20, 20 lagi, 20, 25, 29, 51, 75. Hindi mo siya divide ito. Divide mo siya ito. 9, 17. Ano yung mid dyan? Ang mod, sa sa pagkuha ang mod, hindi mo na siya inside of the drive, kaya number mo tayo ano eh? Kasi? 1, 2, 3 kasi? Ano yung 7 way atong ibutang dire? Ano yung 7? Para sa mod